So I'm going to make my dinner. You know what is this? Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. A shallot, garlic, 2 egg, 2 tomato. I will just stir fry to make a vegetarian dish. Simpleng ulam at pasok masustansya, sagana sa vitamina. Igisa lang natin sa oil, salt, and chicken powder, guys. Okay, guys. So we will cook now, guys. Okay, guys. We will cook now. Put the garlic, fry. Already little bit brown, so because my fire is high, so it's so quick. So now we put the tomato. Now, time to put the bitter gourd. Okay, guys. So, we fry, guys, until the water of the tomato is a little bit dry. But now we can put some salt, guys. Sprinkle some salt. Okay, guys, some salt. And then we also put the 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, guys. Okay, guys, so let it cook. When it's half cooked, then we put the egg. Okay, guys. So let the water absorb by the bitter gourd to make sure that it's cooked. So now the water reduced already. We have to beat the egg, guys. We have to beat the egg, guys. We have to beat the egg. Beat the egg and then we put, and then done. See how simply, easy but yummy. Alright, guys, let's cook the egg and then it's done. Let's cook the egg and then alright guys, so you see, nice, look at the egg cook already. Yeah, so we have to look at this. Okay, simple but yummy. Okay guys, so wow. Okay, so done guys, done. Done, 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 done. Look at that. How pretty. How pretty. Nice, isn't it? Okay. Hope you like it, my bitter gourd stir fry. Easy, simply, but delicious. Shout out to my members, supporters, and subscribers, and to Single Mom's Diary and Raw Marvelous. Shout out.